2017 Subaru BRZ, man!
It has everything you want.
Everything. I bought it for you, all on my own.
How did you buy a car?
I have a job now. And this was the first thing I bought.
No way.
You don't know how to start it. Put your foot on the brake. Now hit it. Roll the window down.
Melissa, smile.
Memes.
Why did you buy me a car?
Because you wanted it.
When did you order it?
The day after Mother's Day. They got it in Akron. It's brand new.
Well, it has to be.
It was pre-built in Akron. Only 45 miles.
Did he know?
Everyone knew.
Yeah.
He was gonna go in on it, but you control his money, so.
Yeah, there's issues there.
Honda Civic, huh?
No.
October.
I feel like I'm gonna leave and have my phone.
You're not used to that yet, are you?
You did. You ride your bike from home.
Memes,
Huh.
say something to the camera so I can turn it off.
I don't know what to say. This is awesome.
Say thank you, Rachel.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you doesn't add up enough
I love you.
at all. Love you too.
I was like, she keeps talking about cars.